Alright, Halloween's in a few months, so I'm going to start like doing some straight up Halloween stuff. What I'm going to do this time is I'm actually going to go in and I'm going to draw a moon with a skull in it and with some trees around it, okay? It's going to be very simple, easy, completely for beginners. So if you're a beginner, stick around step by step, okay? It's going to be for you. And it's going to be really short, like 7 minutes. Stick around for the whole thing and you're going to get the max, knowledge that way. So let's get started. I'm going to go over here, and it doesn't matter what you use, but you use pencil, pen, doesn't matter. Go over here and I'm going to draw a circle first. Just try to get as much of a circle as you can. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. Mine is not. But just try to get something close to a circle. Alright. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw like a line kind of below it here, like the line on the horizon. I'm going to use a pretty thick line here, but you can do this with pencil, like on the side of the pencil. And I'm going to draw a skull on the moon itself right there. I'm going to pull a line down, pull a line down here on this side, up over here, kind of an angry skull, up over here, down underneath, and this line is going to go meet up that line up there. Same thing on this side. Right on. Now let's fill that in. Go over here and I'm going to draw a nose here, the nasal cavity, so it's going to be really just a triangle. And I'm going to fill that in. Cool. Alright, decent so far. Then I'm going to do something else. I'm going to draw a fence right here. See how I'm going to draw like a thick line there? Again, you can kind of do that with the side of your pencil if you're using a pencil. But it's going to make it look like this fence is the teeth of the skull. I'm going to keep it out here. Keep it going, right? I'm going to draw a line across here, like across the fence. Very artsy, right? It's going to make it look like, oh wow, that's like the teeth. Okay. Now I'm going to draw the shape of the trees. So let's just say there's a tree over here on this side. Let's just give it a big filled in shape right there. And it's going to have branches that come off it. And one of the branches is going to go over here, down. It's going to make it look like it's the cheekbone of the skull. But really, it's the branches. Go over here now. For just the normal stuff, normal branches. It makes it look kind of like light.
It looks like your Wi-Fi name or password has...
It makes it look a little bit like lightning. So, pulling up here. Alright, that's one tree. Let's draw the tree on the other side. About the same distance if you can. I'm going to go over here and draw, first off, just a solid object. Then I'm going to draw a branch over here. It's going to make sure it's going to be the cheekbone pulling out, and another branch coming out over here. Alright. You doing okay so far? Don't forget, by the way, I'm going to post a video every single day, and during Halloween time, I'm going to be posting 3 videos per day. So absolutely hit that subscribe button and click the bell notification. It is absolutely going to be worth it. I'm going to make it worth you guys' while. I'm going to go really nuts this Halloween, so let's do that, okay? Or I mean, hit the subscribe and the bell notification if you find the stuff worth your time, which it will be. I'm going to go up over here. Out, just a kind of normal, just like a normal tree branch, like on this side. Since we're not having to adhere to anything, we can just draw a very normal tree branch stuff. Nothing wild. All right, that's mostly it. And you can add some extra stuff. So for example, over here in the back, you could draw like, you know, bats, right? It's like, you can draw maybe these M shapes, a little, it basically like the birds that you draw, right? If it's like, if it was day, right, you draw the little M. I think this one, I guess, would make it a little bit more sharp, I guess. That's kind of the only difference between that and the birds that you tend to draw, that people tend to draw. And if you really, really want, you can kind of color it, but we're not gonna. Could we color it? Actually, we could throw a little bit of yellow here real quick. Not with a marker. Let me see. I'm gonna grab a yellow marker real quick and then see if I can just kind of chuck it in here. Nothing too wild, because if I run into the black, it's gonna absolutely smudge it. So I'm trying not to do that. I'm just gonna color this yellow and that's it. But what I want you to do is I want you to check out the new website. We have sketchingeasy.com. Go check that out. There's lots of amazing stuff on there. There's a lot of free goodies, so go take a look at that. I also want you to, again, say hi to me on in the comments section. This channel's gonna be warming up again because fall's coming, so say hi to me as well. I'm very, I kept this channel up the whole year. Like, I just wanted to keep it up because I thought it was fun, and I was hoping that, people would enjoy it, and hopefully you guys will come back now that Halloween's gonna roll on. I'll say Halloween season's gonna roll on next month, right? Well, like August, because right now we're in July. Around August is where it really starts to actually heat up again, and I'm like, oh, okay, the Halloween season's coming. Everybody's getting ready for it, so that's kind of like where I'm excited, because people are coming back, and hopefully you are too. By the way, I want you to be excited. I'm gonna try to sell some merch this year. Maybe like, I'll try to make you guys like stickers or something. I'm not sure. Just something fun that says drawing and Halloween, because I want something like that for myself, so I might as well put it on here. I just don't know what to be yet, but thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome, and remember, I want you to say hi to me in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Talk to you next time, and I'll see you soon, all right? See you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.